Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience using Lendo. Here's my take on Lendo personal loans. Lendo is a top online platform connecting borrowers with investors, offering personal loans at competitive interest rates. It's a great alternative to traditional bank loans, designed for individuals needing flexible financing. Loan amounts range from €1,000 to €50,000, with repayment terms extending up to 84 months. So, whether you're consolidating debt, renovating your home, or managing unexpected costs, Lendo offers a streamlined way to secure the funds you need. Applying is quick and easy. You provide some basic personal and financial details, and Lendo utilizes a scoring system to assess your eligibility. A significant advantage of Lendo is its capacity to offer loans to individuals across a spectrum of credit scores, although, as expected, more favorable rates are generally offered to borrowers with stronger credit histories. Lendo prioritizes transparency. Interest rates are clearly presented and adjusted based on your creditworthiness, offering competitive options compared to traditional banks. You'll receive upfront information detailing the loan terms, including the total cost and your monthly payments. Another plus is the flexibility of early repayment without incurring penalties, which is beneficial if your financial situation improves. However, be aware that certain fees, like origination fees, might apply based on your specific loan type and amount. Lendo is perfect for those seeking quick access to personal loans without lengthy waiting periods or mountains of paperwork. It's particularly well-suited for borrowers with good to average credit who are comfortable navigating the online lending process. If you're exploring personal loan options and value a more flexible and transparent lending experience, Lendo is definitely worth considering. Check out the links in the description for additional information and to start your application today.